had to use a stick because I forgot my paddle. I bet you guys are wondering where I've been. Well, pretty sure a lot of you guys thought I quit fishing. Well, that's not the case. I stopped fishing for a little bit because I had a child. She is now 6 months yesterday. And I just haven't had the time to fish. You know, in all honesty, I just been so busy with work, with the new baby girl. I miss fishing. I've been wanting to come out. I did go crabbing. I don't know if that counts as fishing a few weeks ago. Kenny's actually going to be joining us. He woke up late, super late. So he's the one that told me about this spot. Where are we at? Lake BERRYESSA. That's where we're at. I forgot a paddle, as you guys seen in the intro. So I got a stick. So that got me to launch. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and do this. There's trout in here. I think there's salmon. I actually don't know. I thought there was salmon here, but I don't think we could fish for them anyways. There's rainbow trout. There's a lot of bass. I think there's spotted bass, largemouth bass, and then I forgot the other bass. But there's another bass. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this, guys. I'm pretty excited. I got a new toy that I got for Christmas. If I can pull it out. I got the awesome catch board for Christmas. I finally get to use it. Yeah, we're gonna go try and see if we can hit these little coves down here. I brought a spinner bait, I brought a crankbait, I brought a ginkgo rig, I think is what it's called. So we're gonna give those a try. The crankbait, one of the spinner baits that I have is actually pink. It looks like the morning dawn, so I'm gonna give that one a try. Pink's my favorite color, so I'm hoping that'll be good luck. If not, damn, that was a waste of $8. So this is the crankbait. This is the one from, I think it's a crankbait. It is a from Headbanger. So let's see if I can still cast. Because I know for a minute there, I was not able to cast. So let's see. So I know these fish are probably going to be deep. There's a lot of water. I forgot my net. Oh my God. I forgot my net and I forgot my paddle, guys. I cannot believe this. No anchor today because I don't think I need it. Oh, already backlashed. It's pretty awesome. You'd love to see it. Those of you guys that stayed, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. You know, I really do appreciate you guys. You know, even everyone that just like checks out the channel, that doesn't subscribe, that just, you know, gives my channel a shot, you know, I appreciate it. You know, I thank everyone that comes down here, and, you know, that gives me a chance, you know, to try and make some good content for you guys. So this is what the pink one looks like. If you guys know me, you guys know pink's one of my favorite colors. Oh, I got one. Kenny, I got one. That might be a small guy. Oh my God. Oh my God. This one's huge, Kenny. Oh shit, I don't have a net. I don't have a net. Oh! No! My line broke. Holy shit. We got it. We got him. Yes! Oh, let's go! Oh my God, yes! That's what I needed, Kenny! Let's go! Oh, yes! Yes! I can finally use my catch board. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Oh, man. Look at that, guys. I have no idea how much it weighs, but we finally freaking got one. I'm pretty sure I am in the sun, so let me go ahead and move so you guys can get a better look at him. God, he broke my line. Look at that right there, boys. Holy moly. Let's go. Yes. They are freaking massive here, man. Holy, I think this might be my PB, but I'm going to double check. I need to use Kenny's scale. I'm going to say 2.9.
Exactly 2 pounds.
Fuck.
It's exactly 2.
Oh, shit.
Not bad.
Yeah. I'm going to
Not
measure
bad.
it now. Let's go, dude. First time. Let's go. First time using the catch board. It's at 15 and a quarter.
Nice. Not bad. Not bad.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. 15 inches and a quarter. Yeah. So, what is this? Spotted?
Largemouth.
Largemouth. Let's go. Kenny's destroying me. He has like 4 fish. Oh, let's go, man. I finally did it. We broke in the catch board. He broke my line. It's time to eat some lunch. Let's go, baby.
Not bad.
Let's go. Dude, is that an eagle? That's an eagle, huh? America. America. Hell yeah. Bro, that is so cool. Got it. Let's go. Small guy. Nothing too big. Oh, let him fight, let him fight. Oh. Come on. There he is. He's turning down. Got him. Got him right in the throat. Nice one. Nice. What is this, a largemouth? Smallmouth, I think. I need the pliers. Oh, I see it. Ah, there we go. All right. I got one. I got another one right here. Let's see what it is. Got it off the drop shot again. Let's go to measure. Ow. Don't have to bite me. This one is... Close your mouth. This one is at 14 inches. Nice bass though. He gave up a really good fight. I enjoyed it. That was really nice. Really, really nice fight. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with fishing. Man, this lake is pretty cool. It's hard, but it's a lot of fun when you do catch. Kenny and I had a total of 10 pounds, 2 ounces. We did it like as a team. He mainly carried the team. That was fun. I need to trust myself in the drop shot. I don't really like the drop shot because I feel like it's boring, but I mean, if that's what the fish are gonna bite, I think that's what I need to be going for. Post fishing clarity, man, I thought that was pretty good. Like I said, gotta trust myself with the drop shots, gotta stop trying to improvise. And I always say this, I always say, try not to keep changing lures and stuff, but I just keep doing it, man. I don't know what it is. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys subscribe, thank you. If you guys didn't subscribe and just watch the video, just thank you so much for giving me the chance to earn your subscription. It's what I care about, you know. Thank you guys for giving me the chance to go in your homes and try and entertain you guys. That's gonna be it for me, guys. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.